Now with AI, you should be so effective and
because everything is so new.
How exactly will we see the differences?
What made you curious about this workshop at AI Sweden?
So we are using AI lots in the design process, and I was very intrigued by learning how to implement AI in a nice way. How do we use it in a smart way and not lose our creativity? And also seeing people from different backgrounds and learning how they use AI.
now with AI, you should be so effective and deliver much more. And I feel like that kind of becomes contradicting. In a way, what happened with the things that we were taught, you should always design with intention. But I feel like once you enter that industry, it kind of goes out the window. How should you actually design, and how can you use AI in a way that benefits all stakeholders?
I constantly stumble on AI tools that both help me and upset me a lot because everything is so new. You have to learn a lot by yourself, so it's nice to be able to meet other people who are in the same situation as you.
It's a great place to open your mind and also hear other ideas. Take those experiences from other people into your own experiences.
What do you find challenging at the moment with the use of AI?
If I don't have a clear scope or a clear idea from myself, the AI is quite bad in making good ideas from the beginning. But when I have my own idea, the AI is taking my idea a step further.
How do you think the film industry will change in the near future regarding the development of AI?
I think the actual shooting itself, it needs to be assisted only because we are in such agile project management modes. But I do think we're going to see shorter prep, maybe shorter in terms of the administrative kind of ideas, testing ideas, not taking as perhaps big risks as we do now,